Magandang gabi Filipinas. Welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today, I had a request from audiences and it said, "Hello Paul, could you please react to Jollibee commercial bowl? Huge thanks. I didn't Moranda." Wow, this is the first time I react to commercial, TV commercial. Specifically Jollibee commercial. I know Jollibee is the most famous fast food chain in the Philippines, more than McDonald's. Yeah, I know. And I ate some of menu in Jollibee, but I didn't try all of them. So yeah, definitely I need to try them when I go to the Philippines again. Okay, I'm really interested watching this video. Okay, but before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push notification bell to not to miss my future videos. And if you like the video, please share it to your friends and family members. Thank you very much. Salamat. Okay, let's watch. Inspired by true story. Bold.
Hindi ko makakalimutan ng ngiti mo nung una kitang nakita. Naalala ko nun, sa Jollibee pa lang.
Jollibee.
Sinabi ko na sa sarili ko, she's the one.
She found her in Jollibee.
Spicy chicken joy with extra rice.
Wow.
And a plate of pineapple juice.
Noon pa lang, alam ko na that you're the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Is that true?
Kaya pinapangako ko na I will be the man for you.
So Jollibee is the bond for
Pinapangako
them.
ko na pasasayahin kita. I'll be there whenever you need me. I'll be patient with you at all times. I promise I will never change.
And finally they are married like
Mahal
this.
na mahal kita. Gusto ko, ikaw ang pinakamaligaya sa lahat. Kahit hindi naging tayo.
Oh,
I'll always be your best friend.
oh, he is not the one who married. Ah. Oh. Yeah, but that's a little sad story because you know we are expecting him to marry her, but the truth is not. She chose the other man. But I think the man who don't marry her, he still love her and trying to be their best friend. Okay. Because he loved her and he want to somehow close to her and yes, he have a lot of mixed emotion in inside him. But if I'm in his position, I don't join the wedding party. It's so sad. I I tell them lie like I got sick and I cannot join the party like that. I better choose that way. Uh, okay, this is how to say unexpected Kumar TV commercial. Uh, let's see. Okay, today's video is it. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to not to miss my future videos. And if you like the video, please share it to your friends and family members. Thank you very much. Salamat. See you again. Bye bye.